lovely family. How are you all doing? Trust all is well. So we are going to decorate the dining area for spring and Easter, and I'll be bringing in soft seasonal colors, beautiful florals, few festive and elegant touches just to create a warm and inviting space while still keeping everything budget friendly. Hello, if you are new here on this channel, I strive to bring you budget-friendly home decorating ideas that creates a luxurious and elegant look without overspending. From seasonal decorating and tablescapes to cozy room refreshes and some DIYs. So if this sparks your interest, please don't forget to subscribe, hype, comment after the video. If you enjoy this video, please join this growing and amazing family. I want to thank you for coming, and if you are still here and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the algorithm push the video to a wider audience. Okay, thank you all so much for stopping by. Now let's dive into today's video. Thank you. Alright, so I'm moving all the chairs and the bar cart with some of the products I'll be using for today's video out of the way, just to make room and easy access. So I've had these sconces for a very long time. They were actually at the entryway, and thought it'd be very beautiful next to this wall hanging, and it's very easy to install. Bringing back this my favorite palm plant, and this is what it's all looking at together. Love them. It's so beautiful. All right, now let's move on to the other wall. This mosaic wall hanging, which I've had many years ago from after Pier 1 Import were closing in my neighborhood, and also move the credenza out of the way too. Okay, so I've gone ahead with the tape method on the wall and screwed the nails also. So let's place this beautiful my newfound love on them. So cute. I love this mirrors already. All right, guys, this is the beauty. This is the bride. So one of our vendors reached out that we carried this on our website. Guys, this looks so beautiful. It comes this way, and then you will have to peel the plastic thing over there. It's so beautiful. It was supposed to come last year December, but their machine broke down, so they sent this to be in January, but I was just waiting to use it Easter time. So this is the beauty. When you peel it, this is how it looks like. Look, this is so cute. You can do it this way or the other way. So beautiful. I'm so in love. So we are going to put this on the wall. Let's go hang it and see how it looks, okay? I can't wait to show you this. Now, how cute cute are these mirrors, guys? Just let me know in the comment. This is so beautiful. I'm loving them already. It's really elevated the walls, and I really don't know if I need 2 more, just so I'll be able to take that star decor on the left. I don't know yet, but I'll think about it to know if I really need 2 more. All right, I'm just going to clean all the fingerprints on the mirrors, and then we will begin with styling the credenza. All right, the credenza is brought back to its place, and we are going to start styling. Favorite part. All right. All right, so I'm starting with these books for height, and they are from Amazon. I'll try and link all items in the description for anybody's interest. Anyway, if anybody wants the mirrors, they are back order too. Okay, if anybody wants them, we thinking through to carry it on our website, but I'll let you guys know. It's so beautiful. All right, let's arrange those beautiful flowers from my Dazzling Decor.us, and the vase is from Home Goods.
But she's somebody else in the making. First, she's just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space.
Now let's set this beautiful arrangement on the credenza.
If it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel?
All right, these openable full books box also are from my Dazzling Decor.us. They are already assembled. It's openable, so you don't have to do anything to them. I'm placing those table candle holders from Ross a few months ago.
You got in the end.
And this battery operated Easter egg and bunnies from TJ Maxx for $19.99.
She leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
I'm bringing in now these beautiful gorgeous candle holders from Z Gallery. I think they've discontinued it. I've had it for several years, maybe 6-7 years ago. And these green candles from Hobby Lobby. I'm wiping down the dining table so we can begin styling. Starting with this beaded cheesecloth, also from Amazon, and I'm placing this eucalyptus garland, and it's intertwined with some roses. I love them so much. I used them last year on the credenza, and I used 3 of the eucalyptus and 1 of the rose.
Make her feel better, and that's where she'll go.
I'm adding these battery operated eggs I found from Aldi. These are my new find from Aldi. I think they were $10 each. And these tea light candle holders.
That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
And I'm adding water just to place floating candles in them.
Getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want, but I'm not out here on my own. She our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able.
Now let's place the placement from Amazon and charges also from Amazon about 2 years ago.
Else in the making first, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better.
Now how gorgeous are these dinnerware, guys, from Home Goods. I used the same plates. I used the same dinner plates last year. The white salad plate is from the Dollar Tree, and I've had that too for a while.
Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever.
And these clear coasters from the Macy's several years ago, and this wine glasses also several years ago from Ross and Burlington.
If it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna notice mine. I'm getting tired of myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go.
I'm folding the napkins in a pleated way, you know, just to look like a bow tie when I insert it in the bunny ears napkin ring. And this is how it looks, just pretty, just pretty. Look at how the napkins are looking with the bunny ears. I love it so much. This bunny ears, the gold in there gives it matching, you know, the gold plate, the gold charger, you know, for elegance. Don't want to leave this beautiful flower vase from Home Goods a couple of years ago with those genariums flowers. I love these flowers. They are next to hydrangeas. So gorgeous, beautiful. Thank you all so much, and I truly hope this video gave some beautiful inspiration on how to decorate your dining room for spring and Easter using these soft, elegant tones like plush, light green, gold, and cream. It doesn't have to cost a fortune, guys, to create a space that feels luxurious, warm, and inviting. You just need the right pieces and a little creativity, and you are good to go. Please let me know in the comments which was your favorite, and if you are also decorating for Easter this year. Would love to hear your color scheme also and ideas. And if you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Like, hype, and share. It's all free, guys. It just helps YouTube to know if my content is good. So to be able to bring you more videos. So please hype the video. And thanks so much for spending time with me. And until next time, guys, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, and bye-bye.